Hi, in this video, I'll demo to you what a PowerQuery and a macro work together can create. So here we have a master file that consists of many days of the data. So what we want to do is that we want to kind of like take one of the states here and have this date and then copy it to a new worksheet, and or maybe just create not just a new worksheet but also a new workbook. So the ultimate things will be like this. Let me just go to this. Let me just show you this code here. Okay, so basically I just need to put a first day, um, because I want to get the first day. Okay, so then after that I'll just make sure I have this. I'll put this file into here. Okay, so it's used to that you need to do this step, like check on this, copy, then after you have this data, copy it and go to here and paste here, so that you have data, and then after that you can uh, copy it to a new workbook and rename it with that date. So this is a manual job, but now let's look at that, what we can do with the power of Power Query and Macro. So basically, I got these things, and then I don't need to filter it. This is not optional step. Then I'll just run this code. Notice that the macro has and the Power Query has created this file, and then not only that, this worksheet is now saved to a new book with the same file name. So I'll open it. So it has exactly the same thing that you see here. Okay, so it's 5442, and here is 5442. Okay, so right, if I want to get the second day, I can just go there, change to 2. Of course, I can create a for loop to generate a list. Now I just run this code again, and what happens is that I generated the second day and also the second day file. And if I get change to 3, I'll just run this code again. Okay, so the third file, and it's here. Okay, it's able to kind of like splitting the master file into several child file according to the day. It can be any other Power Query requirement you want. So I click on this. Let's say I just put on the 4th. I'll run this code again. This is day 4 and appear day 4. Okay, so that is a demo of how to it is possible to do this. And if you want to know the solutions, right, do subscribe by my this Power Query online courses, and I will show you step by step how to create this. Thanks for watching.